Okay. Antayin natin yung babae.
Alam mo yung parang katulad ng jacket mo?
Magkano?
$79.
79.
Yung sa...
Yeah. Have a good one.
Palitan pala sila ah. No, kukuha ko na sa bathroom. There's a bathroom there, me. Look, see, I told you. There's a free bathroom. Tram. How much is tram?
Ito nang sakay sa... Ito malaki. Marami yan. No? Merong maramihan pala.
Tram. They call it tram. May I go to the bathroom? Come here. Hindi ka naihi? Don't you feel pee-pee?